In this video we will be talking about gun safety, specifically with sniper rifles that are spring powered. Not gas, not electric, manual spring powered sniper rifles. Don't skip this one, it's actually important because if you don't do this, people can get hurt or police will come. We don't want any of that. First things first, whenever there is a chance that you will be shooting, BBs will be flying, especially in your direction, you have to protect two things. One of them is eyes, pretty self-explanatory, and the other one is your teeth. Other than that, on your body, if you get hit with the plastic BBs, it will hurt, but generally speaking, nothing will happen. You can only break your eyes and your teeth. If you get hit with the hard plastic on your teeth, I've seen it more often, the teeth or tooth will shatter and you will have a bad day. When there is a chance, BBs will fly. Wear eye protection and at least a mouth guard that will protect your teeth or full face protection. Now when we will talk specifically about the gun, let's go over the most important things. First things first, how am I holding the gun? Finger always straight, unless I want to shoot. If I don't pull the trigger, this gun will not shoot. It's always the finger that will make it go off. Or in 99.99999% of the cases, we will exclude severe malfunctions. Finger straight. The next thing is point in a safe direction. What is a safe direction? Well, generally speaking, up is pretty safe because chances are there are no people. If you would be somewhere where there is a, I don't know, 5-story building and you kind of aim in their direction, that would be considered unsafe, and then it's better to just point straight down to the ground. Make sure that when you are with other people, you don't actually point under an angle at their feet. That's also not really safe. Even though if you point at the feet, it's not as bad as pointing direct at people's faces. Just be mindful to, not have it too high. Those are the general safe directions. It's either up or down, whatever is more comfortable for you. Now, this rifle is unloaded, so I'm gonna show you what you definitely should not do. You should not walk like this, pointing directly at people's faces. You should not play with the trigger in any way. Or you should just not know where your muzzle is pointing. I hope you get the point. Now we will talk about how to actually ensure that this replica is safe to maybe leave on the table when, interested people can suddenly pick it up and they start messing with it, potentially shooting somebody in the face, or when you are handing it to a different person, maybe a kid who wants to check it out. You need to make sure as the owner that it's safe and nothing can happen. How we will do it? We have a couple of ways. Let's just first talk when I return from a game and I kind of forgot what's going on. Is it loaded? It's not loaded? I don't know. Specifically on the SSG11, but depending on the platform that you are using, you may or may not have a cocking indicator. If there is red right here, the gun is loaded and it's ready to go off. The next tool you can use is the safety, and the best one that you can actually use is removing the magazine. One BB will likely fall out depending on the platform. Removing the magazine. Now this doesn't mean that the gun is safe. It might still be loaded, there might still be BB in the chamber, what have you. The best is to just load it, point in a safe direction at a target and actually fire a shot. Now we know that the chamber is empty, the magazine is not in there, so no more BBs will go in. And we can even put it on safe and we can place it on the table with the magazine outside. Now if somebody comes, picks it up, starts messing with it, it will not fire unless he deliberately puts the magazine in and, does the thing we don't want to do. Now let's take a look from the other perspective. You are the person who wants to, check out a gun that doesn't belong to you, and what do you do? First thing, you should actually not do anything until you ask the owner whether you can check it out. In that case, the owner should prepare it so that it's safe. If the owner is not there, you still decide to go ahead, well, this is what you should do. I'm just gonna take safety glasses. I can check out the indicator. Oh, there is red. Well, maybe I should not touch it because it's probably loaded. Okay, I still decide to go ahead. At least I will remove the magazine. First thing, always remove the magazine so we don't load more BBs in. And the next thing, safe direction. And I'm gonna try what's going on. All right, it was loaded. Cool. we did everything safe. I'm gonna fire one more shot, check magazine is not there, and now I know that the gun is 100% safe. If it's on the table, always assume it's loaded and treat it as such. Here you see what can happen and what I've actually seen happen in the field. People come from the game, just slam it on the table, they don't care. They go drink water, somebody picks it up and starts shooting. That's definitely not what we want to see. It's not safe, it's not cool for the other people that are around you. So always assume it's loaded and do the proper procedure to make sure that you don't hurt anyone. This was an example. I hope you get the point. Stay safe. If you treat the gun like a professional, then you will be much safer to be around and others will notice that you know what you're doing.